Hey friends, I want to go over the eco footprint rubric so you can make sure that you get a good grade on a good quiz grade on your ecological footprint. Your ecological footprint, this is like a college board term, is how much land you require both for the resources you consume, the landing resources, the timber resources, the water and arable crop growable land resources you consume, and the land it takes to deal with your waste. Gross. Let's reduce both of those, consumption and the waste production if we can. So what I would do is I'd go down this proficient column first, make sure you check all those boxes, and then go over into the mastery column to get that 100. You don't want to make a 30-point mistake where I leave off this thing, it doesn't keep me here, and now I switch over and I downshift it to the developing. I turn 100, what could be 100 into a 70. So I go through the footprint calculator, and I answer the questions as honestly as I can. That's the whole point of this. Just about every page can have an add detail to improve accuracy, so that's where I like toggle these switches. I don't really eat pork. I love me some poultry. Shellfish, I'm allergic, so I probably shouldn't. No, who am I kidding? Let's move that cheese all the way over here. And so you see, that's how you do it. So go through and answer all these questions. On half of the pages, you'll see these learn more facts. Not all the pages will have that. Click on those guys. And if this is something that you think is important for you in your life, jot the information down because you're going to want to put that on your poster. Cool, good to know. So I keep going through, answering as accurately and truthfully as possible. And then when I get to the end, answering, I get my results. And so, my good God, the overshoot day for this, if this was true for me, would be the 21st of February, meaning every day after February, I'm now stealing land from my children. I'm borrowing from next year's allowance of clean air, drinking water, and land use. My eco footprint would have 7.0 toes. I would have a footprint with 7 toes on it. That looks weird, but remember, we want our footprint to be smaller. So that's what I have. Um, and then I get more results. And this is the part where students love to screw up. You don't do that. You're going to want this pie chart, this land use pie chart. You hover over it on your phones. You have to get to tap on it, and you get exactly how many global hectares. A hectare is a football field. So for me, if this was real, my biggest part of my footprint would be you can tell it would be my carbon footprint if this were accurate for me, 7.1, versus my grazing land would be only 0.2. So make sure you have a labeled pie chart and a label consumption category. So if this was for me, apparently I'm good on food, but I'm bad on mobility. We need those numbers. No numbers, no points. You just earned a 70. But one of the last things you can do is you click on all these tabs. Give one specific solution you could do. Choose any one of these, explore all of these. I like APES because a lot of times APES is not a class we take, it's a class we use. And this is some resources that can help you feel empowered to reduce your impact on the planet. So click on one of these and learn more and give one of these solutions that you could do to you actually personally reduce your carbon footprint. Make sure you follow check all those boxes on the proficient column, and you'll get a 90. Up in a notch and make it be pretty, and double the potential solutions, and you got 100. I hope this is helpful. This is due Monday for A-Day students and Tuesday for B-Day students. It's due a week after you got the instructions. And that's it for me. Bye. Peace out, Girl Scouts.